Well, it's another lovely hot day here. It's Leaze's Park, Newcastle. I haven't been here for a couple of months, but I thought the day with it being so nice, I'd take a trip up. So I just get my worms out. There's a goal there, as you can see, sheltering from the heat. Now let's see if he'll want any. Here you go. There you too hot. Hey. Pardon me. Just having a bottle of pop. Right, okay. Pardon me. Oh well then, pigeons. Oh, there's a magpie. That's nice. Come on then. Come and get some worms. Don't worry, I won't hurt you. Suppose I should salute it. If I was superstitious, I would. Right, here they come. Here they come. I was doing regular walks with a mental health charity, but I'm not going to mention the name. But there was a bit of hassle a few months ago, and it caused me to leave. So that's why you haven't seen any of my videos like this for a good couple of months. But here they come. Right. Hopefully they'll still recognise me. Oh, shit. It's not the bag hour. And fucked up, put it in my rucksack. Right, okay. It's so hot today. It's about 26 degrees. For anyone living outside of North East England or Scotland, have got it pretty poor, but you know. Anyway, come on then. It's gonna come up. Come on, me lovelies. It's been a while since we've seen each other, isn't it? Come on. I've got bad short-term memories. Oops. Just need to tighten that up. Oh, God. Well, that seagull's definitely not hungry. Used for mealworms. Come on then. Come on. There's someone on the bench here as well. Maybe it's too hot even for the pigeons. I don't know. It could be because they haven't seen us for a little while. See if I can coax them up onto the bench. Come on, some of you. Come on, it's okay. Yeah, it definitely seems it's because it's been a while since the last saw me. They probably don't recognise us. It seems that way. Oh God, be back. Come on. Come on. Come on and be brave. Oh, my stomach. Come on. Come and take some out of my hands. Come on. Honestly, I feel like I could pass out from this heat. Jeez. Come on. Okay, I think I'll make that it for now. I'll take a walk down to Old Eldon Square.